Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video we're going to be going over inventory management on the portal and what useful features we have to be using from here. So to get started with managing our inventory, we'll go ahead and move to the inventory section on the left-hand side. Once here, you're going to be able to see a list of the inventory products you currently have on the left-hand side, and on the right, you'll see all the different features we have currently available for managing your inventory. We can search for products with this search bar up here, and we can choose to filter it either by product name, barcode, or SKU. We can open an item here, which is admin locked, which means you will have to have administrative rights in order to access and manage these inventory items. And here you'll be able to manage the product's name, SKU, the price it has, the cost for your store, the type of item it is, so if this is an accessory, a part, service, or if it's something else, the category that you want to give it to. In this case we have accessories as the category, which is what we see up here. We have the stock quantity that we currently have, our minimum stock, so once we fall below this number we'll be able to do minimum stock reports and pull up this product in that report. And then we can also assign this a barcode. Once we're done, we can go ahead and update the item, and we'll see them here. Again, these are the categories, so whatever category you assign, you'll be able to see those in alphabetical order in your sorting of the inventory. And this can very easily help you manage things like distributors or specific parts for various models of devices to make your inventory cleaner and easier to manage. Now on the portal currently, we have the ability to either generate an inventory count, create devices, or create inventory items for your inventory. So let's go ahead and look at our inventory count feature. So to create a new inventory count, we'll go to the plus at the bottom right. We'll select the types that we're going to be managing within this inventory count. These are those categories that we choose. So choose accessories. We'll select the parts that we want to be counting within this inventory count. And then we'll manage the quantity that we have of those parts. We'll have our total items at the bottom, and we'll also see the cost of those items here. Once we're done, we can go ahead and continue to overview. We'll have our count mismatch, so how much we were off and how much we are adding or removing from what we currently had, and the cost of that mismatch. Then on the left, we'll have a brief overview of the items that we modified. Once we're done, we can submit this inventory count, and we'll be able to see that brand new inventory count we just created. Going to it's going to show us a PDF report of the changes we made. We'll have our gain, difference, and total inventory cost of the items included in this report. Now, we also have the ability to create inventory devices. So if we want to have a device with a specific grade created, this could be for either a phone, computer, or any other serialized item that will have its own serial number. And we'll go ahead, fill out this information, whether or not this device is taxable, for sale, or to lend. We'll also be able to choose a warranty period for when this device is sold. And then you'll be ready to go ahead and create this device and sell it in your store. And then of course we have the ability to create a new inventory item. So if you're going to be adding items one by one, instead of importing them using one of our import tools, such as this one down here, then we can go ahead and choose to create a new inventory item. Automatically we'll generate a barcode and SKU, but feel free to change and add your own as you desire. We have many other features for helping you manage inventory on our iOS app, so I also recommend giving the iOS app a go to see if any of those features available will help you in managing your inventory.